We won't need two programs for that, because what the controller does, we want it to do the same time. We don't want the joysticks, when we push them forward, we want the robot to go forward. We don't want a second program that switches in the middle of the match, so then when we push them forward, the robot spins, because then the driver just get confused. So all the things we set it up to do, we want it to do that all the time. So I don't see any reason why we would use more than one program slot for controller operation.
So we could come up with up to 7 different things that can do.
As far as I imagine. What were you going to say about that?
No, what I was saying, like, if the controller has, like, different channels, then you could do that. Use, like, channel A or channel B and then switch.
The question is,
What would be the benefit of switching from one channel to another channel?
Oh, you
Because
go.
the only reason you'd be switching is because you're going to change what different things do on your control
Right.
panel, right? When would you want to switch what different things do on your control panel? And maybe there's a reason. I just
Probably just like when it's like time to stack, if you only have to stack where you have to use the arms, then it's much easier if you just use a different channel, because then you have like more options when you just change the whole controller. Or just normal driving, just go back to a normal channel.
Then the drivers would have to learn a lot of different control setups, alright?
Well, then
Would it get confusing for them? And maybe.
Depends on who's driving that.
are you saying like take something where in one program the joystick's
They
on
can
the
handle
drive
it,
and the
yeah.
other one is controlling the arm?
yeah. Because you don't need like it's almost like you know, like when you hook up the cable,
You would need
like
to like switch between programs, but then it would just change with the joysticks too, something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, I understand.
it's just like when they do it on the cable, like you don't have like enough channels on. When you just flip through the channels 1 to 12, you don't have enough. But if you flip to like you move from A and split to B, then you get the rest of the channels like 13 down to 24.
Yeah.
So you would be using some button for two different uses.
Yeah.
Or you just joystick for two. And we might have to do that. If it comes to that point, then maybe we will use two programs for driving.